You cringe every time you hear a recording of yourself. Your voice sounds wrong, foreign, like someone else entirely. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain processes your own voice two ways simultaneously. When you speak, bone vibrations travel directly through your skull to your inner ear, adding deeper frequencies that only you hear. Recordings strip those out. You're not hearing yourself. You're hearing a thinner, higher version that your brain never learned to recognize as you. It's not that your voice is bad. It's that you've only ever heard a lie.